Good morning everyone, this is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 5th of March. Yesterday's Italian elections could render a populist government. Yesterday's Italian elections rendered a hung parliament. However, the tendency showed that moderate parties lost, while populists had better results than expected. Negotiations have still a long way to go to form a new government. However, headlines could move the euro in the upcoming days. On other news, in Germany, SPD party members backed the deal with CDU and Germany will form a government in the next weeks. The market seems to keep waiting for more news from Italy to support the euro in full extent. We see the case for the euro to moderately strengthen in the next couple of days. However, uncertainty could weigh in on the euro. Euro-dollar was rising in the past few days, aiming for the 1.2355 resistance level. The overall rise was somewhat halted in today's Asian morning as a result of the market's muted reaction to the Italian elections. We see the case for the pair to rise moderately in the next few days as a result of the incoming financial data. However, please be advised that headlines about the possible formation of an Italian government and the German coalition front could weigh in or support the euro. Should the pair come under buying interest, we could see it breaking the 1.2355 resistance line and aim for the 1.2455 resistance level. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 1.2230 support line and aim for the 1.21 support zone. As for tomorrow, RBA's interest rate decision is due out. On Tuesday, during the Asian day, RBA's interest rate decision is to be released. The bank is expected to remain on hold at plus 1.5%. AUD overnight index swaps seem to strengthen the argument for the bank to remain on hold, as they currently imply a probability of 99.64%. Hence, market focus may shift to the accompanying statement. It may contain an upbeat economic outlook. However, it would be interesting to see any remarks concerning household consumption, which were cited as a continuing source of uncertainty, and the private debt levels. The overall tone of the statement could be neutral to dovish and could weaken AUD. Please note that the effect on AUD could be somewhat muted, as the market may expect the outcome. AUD-USD has traded in a rather sideways manner in the past few days between the 0.7685 support line and the 0.7820 resistance line. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner with some bearish tones. Should the bears take the driver's seat, we could see the pair driving south and breaking the 0.7685 support line and aim for the 0.7575 support barrier. Should the bulls have the upper hand, we could see the pair breaking the 0.7820 resistance line and aim for the 0.7935 resistance hurdle. In today's other economic highlights, during the European morning, we get Eurozone's market composite PMI for February and retail sales for January, which are forecasted to accelerate. Later on, we get the US ISM non-manufacturing PMI for February, which is forecasted to drop. As for speakers, Fed Vice Chair Quartz speaks. As for the week ahead, as mentioned on Tuesday, we get RBA's interest rate decision. On Wednesday, we get BOC's interest rate decision, and the US ADP employment report is due out. On Thursday, ECB's interest rate decision will be announced, and on Friday, we get Bank of Japan's interest rate decision as well as the US employment report with a non-farm payrolls figure. Last but not least, on Friday, we get also Canada's employment change. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.